एक काम कर, क्या नाम तेरा? हट एक तरफ। फादर में ना मत दे। तो बात सुनो, जो आप लोग बैठे ना, मैंने बताया जो मोदी गाड़ी रहने वाला, उसको लड़ने का हक ही नहीं है। लड़ना चाहिए, हमने कहा गाँव में बुरा लगा, किसी बुरा लगा। आप आओ इधर आ जाओ, कमर छोड़ दें, कमर छोड़ दें।
Videos have emerged online showing former BJP MP Sukhbir Singh Jaunpuria, a two-time MP from Tong Savai Madhopur, refusing to distribute blankets to Muslim women, saying that those who abuse Modi have no right to receive them. The video shows some locals confronting Jaunpuria as he leaves the meeting, asking him why he took back the blankets from Muslim women. In response, Jaunpuria says that the blankets were not being distributed as part of any government scheme.
बच गए जो रह गया
वो 4-5 ही रह गए सर।
कोई बात नहीं, फिर से अभी तो और बहुत रह गए।
आप लोगों को देने के बाद वापस दे रहे हो। लोकतंत्र में अधिकार थोड़ी है, सबको समान अधिकार है। आपने उनको मना किया,
तो आप क्या हुआ क्या?
गवर्नमेंट का नहीं, आप इंडिविजुअल भी दे रहे हो। अरे सर, हम बहस कर रहा कौन है? गलती आपने करी ना सर। सर उनको बिठा दिया, फिर ऐसे किसने बिठाया?
The incident sparked protest against Jaunpuria, with many locals coming out in support of the women who were denied blankets. After the incident, some villagers went to meet the women who were not given blankets and told them that they stood in support of them.
माताजी बार जौनपुरी आईचा कम्मळ दे रे जा फिर तागन कम्मळ क्यों कुसकायो
भाई मैं क्यों मुसलमाना का नाव पूछ अब पता ले लियो मां 3 दे तन आदमी लुगाया ने सबने दिया
सिर्फ थान नदी है
मान नदी बस भाई मान बुलावे क्यों कर भाई मैं तो बैठी थी आराम से क्यों बुलाओ तो मान
जिस तरीके से एक धर्म विशेष को देखकर जो अपमान किया, ये किसी व्यक्ति विशेष या किसी धर्म विशेष का अपमान नहीं है, ये पूरे हमारे टोंक जिले के हर उस व्यक्ति का अपमान है जो अपने अंदर स्वाभिमान रखता है। 36 कौम के लोग हम इनके साथ खड़े, इस तरीके से अपमान करना कतई बर्दाश्त नहीं होगा।
The current MP from Tong Savai Madhopur, Harish Meena, reacted to the incident on X, stating the treatment meted out to Muslim women observing Roza by former MP Sukhbir Singh Jaunpuria at a temple in Kareda Buzurg village of the Nivai Assembly constituency in Tong district today is not only condemnable but also the result of a destructive mindset that is destroying the social fabric of this country. Giving blankets to poor and helpless women and then asking their names and taking them back based on their religion, this is an extremely shameful and inhuman act. When The Wire contacted Jaunpuria, he said, "We didn't invite them. If we have to distribute 200 blankets, we have already prepared a list. And if 30-40 men or women come who are not on it, how can we give them blankets?" Referring to the Muslim community, he said, "Everyone knows the straightforward thing. You abuse the BJP, Modi and us. And then we should give you our blankets too. You're already getting the benefits of government scheme. This is our private initiative. We're distributing blankets with private money. This should not have come in the first place. When you have not been called, why did you come?" The Congress can level whatever allegation it wants. Congress is alleging this because they are Congress voters, Jaunpuria told The Wire. Read the full report by Deep Mukherjee on The Wire's website.